Hello everyone. The model I'm going to show you today was actually a 3D print from Loot Studios. I bought a 3D printer, the Anycubic Photon. It really printed out well, and I decided to do two models, the Bashir Khan and another model, Fred from Scooby-Doo. Unfortunately, later on my 3D printer had some problems, so I'll have to get it fixed. Loot Studios' Bashir Khan was a very exotic model, and it was very well detailed, and I tried to make it very colourful as well. The way I paint most of my models is I give it a base coat, but then I dry brush a lighter coat on top. I did that especially with the skin tone. I started with a very dark earth colour, and then I dry brushed a lighter skin tone on top. It really accentuated the musculature of the model. I bought some sand from Bunnings, and one of them had a interesting green tinge on it, and I used that one because it made the model look very distinct. And here is the model. I hope you enjoy it. I got a nameplate afterwards, which I got engraved, but it was quite expensive. It cost me about $60 just for the nameplate. I think I'll make other nameplates myself later on.